Good morning, students. We are in the story The Foggy Figure. In that foggy figure, we learned so far that there will be two children, Samir and Sam, and Uncle Amar. Uncle Amar tells one story. What is that? That is the story of the foggy figure. He says that the foggy figure appears on the lake during the fog, when there is fog. So the children are so curious now. They wanted to see that foggy figure. So they are in that trial. So they came out secretly when everyone is sleeping. At 5 o'clock they woke up and they came out to see that foggy figure. And when they came out, they did not see anything there. It is so foggy. They couldn't see even. So they are discussing with each other. Do the foggy figure really exist? Is it real or not? They are discussing. Now let us see, is it real or not? Uncle Amar did have a good imagination. He had been telling Samir and Sarah stories for years. But this was the first scary story ever. Sarah had a feeling it wasn't made up. And Uncle Amar, he always tells the stories to the children. He is he imagines well, and he had been telling the stories from many days. That's why they got one doubt. Maybe he imagines very well. That's why maybe he imagined that foggy figure and telling that are real. They don't know. Sarah shook her head. Remember what Uncle Amar said? The foggy figure haunts the lake. We are on the dock. Maybe that's why we can't see him. The people in the story were in boats. Samir said that maybe uncle said imaginary story. Then Sarah shook her head and said, shake means to move, past is to shoot. She shook her head and said, what uncle said? Uncle said that the foggy figure appears on the lake. But are they in the lake? No, they are just on the dock. Dock means there will be some platform near the lake. From there they get into the boat. Yeah, they are standing just on the dock. They did not go on the water. That's why she thought maybe that is the reason we are unable to see. If we go into water, then maybe we can see. Do you want to go on to the water? Samir asked. Sarah looked around trying to find Uncle Amar's boat, but the fog was too thick. Mom and Dad will be really angry if we go out on the lake alone in this fog, Samir said. Sarah shrugged. Maybe we don't need to go anywhere. We can sit in a boat while it's dark. That wouldn't be dangerous. So, when Sarah said that foggy figure appears on the water, we are not on the water, we are on the dock only. Then Samir said, what do you say? Do you say that shall we go on to the water and see? No, it is very dangerous. If Mom and Dad will see we go on to the water, they really become very angry on us. Suppose children, you are small children, you go and travel on the water, you yourself, two children go and travel in the water, do your parents accept it? No, it is dangerous. So Samir said it is very dangerous, that's why Mom and Dad will become very, very angry if we do that. And Sarah said that no, we don't travel on the water. Boat is there here only near the dock. We just will sit on the boat. We don't travel. Let's just sit on the boat. If we sit on the boat, that means we are on the water now. We are on the water means maybe the foggy figure visible. So that is their plan. Okay, I'll go first, said Samir. He crept towards the end of the dock. He could barely see the outline of the boat. He carefully got into the boat and then reached for Sarah's hand. Sarah climbed into the boat and sat beside him. She was getting nervous now that they were on the water. So immediately Samir said, I will go first. To do such naughty things, boys will be first. Am I right? So Samir said, I will go first. He got into the water and he crept slowly into the boat, and he held the hand for Sarah, and Sarah also came in. They are very curious, lot of interest to see the foggy figure. At the same time, they have the fear also because they are on the water now. And that's why Sarah is nervous. Nervous means tension. She is in tension. Can you see anything? Asked Sarah. They looked around and gradually the fog began to lift. Sarah turned around and screamed. The foggy figure. It was in the boat with them. Can you see anything? They are trying to look around. Is there foggy figure? They are trying to look around. And the fog also coming, just it is going to lift up. When they are looking around, suddenly Sarah looked and shouted, foggy figure. There is a foggy figure behind them. It is in the boat. The foggy figure is in the boat along with them. Samir and Sarah hugged each other in fear, but then they heard a laugh. Samir leaned towards the foggy figure. Uncle Amar. Samir and Sarah are so much nervous now. They are so tense because the foggy figure appeared in the boat just behind them. They were so tense. They hugged each other. Brother and sister hugged each other and they are looking so tense. And in that time, they heard one laugh. Somebody smiled. Suppose your father talked with you. He did not open the door. He is outside the door and your father calls your name. Can you recognize his voice? Yeah, you can say that his daddy because you know your father's voice. In the same way, they have been listening Uncle Amar's story. Uncle Amar's voice is also very familiar to them. They recognized that the voice is not foggy figure, it is Uncle Amar. So he leaned towards. Leaned means what I said? Lean means to bend. They leaned to Uncle Amar and said, Uncle Amar. They are happy now. They feel some relax. I knew that the story would get you two out of bed early enough to take a boat ride with me. Sarah felt happy that there was no foggy figure after all. Samir looked relieved too. Uncle Amar laughed and said, I'm hungry. What do you say? I have packed breakfast for us. Sarah smiled. She remembered smelling hot chocolate in the kitchen. Uncle Amar had baked pastries for them. They had a memorable boat ride in the company of so-called foggy figure. So uncle said that when I said the story, you children are very interested in that. So I thought you will try to see that foggy figure. You will try to find out that foggy figure. That's why I too woke up with you. And he laughed and said, there is no foggy figure at all. No foggy figure. No figure appears in the fog. It is just a story told by uncle. Samir looked relieved. When you are very tension, so much tension, and you heard one good news. Suppose you did not do the homework and your teacher said, today I am not going to check the homeworks. How you feel? Oh my God. So relieved. Relieved means no tension now. Tension free. Now they are interested to see, but as they are children, they have lot of fear also. That what is foggy figure, how it will be, they have fear. But now they thought that that foggy figure is just behind them, and after some time they thought, they come to know that it is just uncle. They felt tension free and they felt relieved. And Uncle Amar laughed and said, I'm feeling hungry. Shall we have our breakfast? What is breakfast? The food which we eat in the morning time is breakfast, you all know. And some of us, we say tiffin. Did you eat tiffin? No, that is very wrong. You should not say tiffin. There is no English word tiffin. Yeah, it is breakfast. What we eat in the morning is breakfast. Afternoon we take lunch, and during night dinner. And supper also some say. But there is no tiffin at all. Don't say that. Say breakfast. Mummy, I'm hungry. Give me some breakfast. Okay. Now uncle said, shall we have some breakfast? When they think about the breakfast, immediately she remembered, Sarah remembered, when she is coming from the kitchen, she sniffed one smell. What is that? Chocolate, sweets, chocolate smell. That is nothing but Uncle Amar has prepared pastries for them. Wow, you like pastries? Yeah, now they are in the boat ride. They are in the boat ride eating the pastries along with uncle. It is they had a so joyful ride on the water. That is the story of the foggy figure. Now who is the foggy figure? Now uncle became foggy figure. There is no foggy figure at all. And sometimes when we hear any ghost or devil story, nights we remember and we say, Mummy, please come with me. Mummy, please sleep on my bed because I'm feeling very tense. I'm scary. Do you remember this foggy figure today? If you watch any horror movie that night, surely you remember that and you will get frightened. And this night, do you remember the foggy figure? No, no tension. There's no foggy figure at all. Am I right? That is just Uncle Amar said story for the enjoyment of the children. And due to that, they had the boat ride. Okay, children, that's all for this. I thought you all enjoyed the story, the foggy figure. In the next class, we will meet with another task. Till then, I'm signing off. Have a nice day.